Imagine this. You're watching your savings shrink and your expenses skyrocket, all because of what's happening in the world right now. Now, that's the financial roller coaster we're all on today. The stock market is tumbling, interest rates are climbing, and oh boy, the housing market, it's in a whole new playing field. Now, really quick, my name is Jorge. I am a local real estate and mortgage professional licensed in multiple states. I help first time home buyers and seasoned investors buy, sell, refinance, and build equity. Now, my goal is to provide homeownership education, share my experiences, and empower you with knowledge so that you can buy and sell real estate with confidence. So let's dive into what's really happening. Now, picture this. The stock market has been in a free fall for 5 straight weeks. Why, you ask? Well, the recent conflict with Iran has sent shockwaves through the economy, and it hasn't been pretty. Stocks are down more than 10%, and if you're like most investors, you're hanging on for dear life. Interest rates are rising, and gas prices have skyrocketed past $4 per gallon, leaving everyone asking, when will this end? Now, why does this matter? Well, in simple terms, higher interest rates means borrowing money just got more expensive. And those gas prices, they're eating into our budgets. This affects everyone, investors, everyday folks trying to fill their tanks, and home buyers navigating this pricey housing market. Now, for buyers and sellers, the game has changed. Buyers are exhausted, facing high home prices and even higher mortgage rates. Sellers might feel like the clock is ticking to make their move before the market shifts again. And the housing market, it's in a tough spot, caught between pricey homes and the weight of steep borrowing costs. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're buying, selling, or just watching from the sidelines, let's break it down. If you're thinking about buying a home, you might need to adjust your expectations. That dreamy 3% mortgage rate from the past, it's not coming back anytime soon. If you find a home you love and can afford today, it might be wise to make your move. But if it feels like stretching, you may want to just hold up and keep renting for now. Now, for sellers, the key takeaway is this. Price carefully and prepare for a market where buyers are being much more discerning due to those high borrowing costs. And if you're an investor, the strategy is clear. Stop waiting for the stock market to rescue you. Instead, pivot your investments into quality stocks that are resilient, like those that pay consistent dividends and can weather this economic storm. Now, let's talk opportunity. When interest rates are up, your savings can earn more. Move that cash into high yield accounts or consider short-term bonds that offer respectable returns without the stock market risk. You could lock in returns of 4 to 5% right now just by being smart with your cash. Now, in a nutshell, the financial landscape is tough, but it's not unmanageable. We're all feeling the pinch, but by understanding the shifts in the market, we can make informed, strategic decisions to protect our finances. Now, here's the kicker. In these uncertain times, it's all about staying informed and nimble. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, think long-term, be strategic, and above all, don't panic. Now, the market will eventually find its footing, and when it does, you'll be glad you stayed the course. And here's my closing thought for you. Given everything unfolding around us, what's your move? Are you ready to adapt and turn these challenges into opportunities? If you need guidance, feel free to reach out. Together we can navigate and make smart real estate decisions that safeguard your future. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to follow for more.